Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my December 2023 newsletter video blog summary. This December I'm continuing to heal from my shoulder surgeries, but my right shoulder has been very painful and inflamed again, and I've struggled to type this blog and record this video. This month I attended the last Encourager Party webinar with World Pulse, and I joined the second ITC webinar series, Export Essentials, supplying handicrafts to the United Kingdom and the European markets. Thank you so much for watching. A very happy new year to everybody who's celebrating. I wish everybody a very happy and healthy, happy and prosperous 2024. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.